eFieldConnect is a field service manager for businesses that have workers in the field. It works great for HVAC, cleaning companies, lawn care, and many more trades and others that need to connect with workers in the field. You can connect eFieldConnect to any of your boards inside of Monday.com, and then it'll mimic exactly what's on your boards in the unique eFieldConnect view. You can also create workers and assign them by phone number, by email, whichever preferred method, so that you can send them tasks directly to their preferred mode of communication. By clicking on Actions and Send Item, you can schedule or send your item to your worker right away. eFieldConnect is also highly configurable. You can map statuses between eFieldConnect in different statuses columns inside of your Monday.com boards. And also you can use our new form editor, so you can create custom forms, and as many as you need to make sure you get the right information to your staff out in the field. Once your forms are ready, get back into Monday.com and then go and find your new form and schedule it or send it out to your worker immediately. Watch as it schedules the item, and from there you'll see that the statuses are updated and your worker's been notified. With eFieldConnect, you can quickly connect your field workers with your business inside of Monday.com. Try it out today.